Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm whether you're on PS4/PS5 or using PC mods because the method differs. Once done, back up your save to avoid losing progress and make sure cloud saves or manual backups are active. If you're on PC, enable the mod manager or developer permissions now so tools can write game files. These steps prevent irreversible errors and let you experiment safely. They're quick but essential before we change the in-game time tonight. Now you execute the change. Open the mod editor, debug menu, or console tools and locate the world time or lighting variable. You'll set the value to a night range, typically around 20:00 to 04:00, because that controls ambient lighting and NPC routines. Make the edit, then apply or write the change to disk. Don't rush past saving because unsaved adjustments vanish. After writing, close the tool gracefully so game locks release. This ensures the new night. Finish by launching Miles Morales and verifying the night visuals. Check the skybox, streetlights, and longer shadows to confirm it's truly night. If things look off, revert to the backup, clear any game cache, then reapply with a slightly different hour. Timing and lighting systems can be sensitive. Also test mission and cutscene triggers because some scripts force day. If a mission resets time, apply the change after the mission loads. Keep one backup handy. That's your fastest recovery if edits fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.